Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are gonna create user layout and we'll set up route for it. So now let's go to our VS Code and inside pages, I'll create one folder, user layout. User layout. Inside this user layout, let me create one file, user layout.jsx. Create the component. Okay, it's loading, and there you go. Component is created. Now guys, I need the React router for it, so let me install it. pnpm I React router. Actually, spelling is wrong, and there you go. React router. That's it. Now let's wrap our main application with the browser router. Browser router. This is our main application. We need to import this browser router from the React router. Okay. Now let's go to app.js, and I can remove this dashboard. Let's add up here routes. Let me write here user routes. Routes from the React router, and inside this we need route. This is for dashboard. Actually, do one thing. Let me remove this for now or cut it out. Here, let me create route like this, and provide here element. Element is nothing but user layout, because we are creating here nested route. So user layout. Okay. Now here I can create this route. Now let's go to do one thing. Cut this and provide it here, because here will provide all the user related routes. Now let's go to user layout, and give here box. Guys, here will provide our app bar first. App bar means our now bar, header, you can say it. And then here we'll write code for profile menu. Okay, once it done, we need to provide our sidebar code. User sidebar. Okay, once the sidebar is done, our main content will come here. Main content. I'll show you all the things one by one, like what is main content, what is sidebar, etc. Okay, so this is our header, app bar, or now bar, you can say. This is our sidebar, and this is our main content, and this is our profile menu. Okay, all the codes is here. Now inside the main content, let me create one box, give it name component. Component is main, sx flex grow 1, and I need to provide the width as well. Width. Box is not imported. Okay, let me import it. Now I can, it will give recommend for width. Okay, for a medium screen, calculate 100 minus drawer width. Drawer width pixel. Okay, and let's use here backtick instead of single code. Now let me provide here the drawer width, and the minimum height I will provide. Minimum height is 100 vh. Okay, and inside the box I need to provide the toolbar from material UI. Then box, inside box I'll provide here outlet from React router. Okay, that is great. Now it will work. So you can see dashboard is coming. Now let's do one thing. Create our user sidebar component. Let's create here user sidebar .jsx RFCE and create box for it. Remove this. Import from the material UI component. Let's give it a now name sx will give width. Width will give medium drawer width. Drawer width. Drawer width. And flex range medium 0. Let's provide here drawer width. Okay. Now let's create a drawer inside it. Desktop sidebar. Okay, drawer, desktop drawer. Create the drawer. Will import this drawer from the material UI. Give a variant here, permanent. And here let's give the sx. Actually sx we need to give inside this. Let's provide sx. Okay, and display sx, sorry, access means extra small screen, it will none. Extra small screen where small screen also it will none. It will appear inside only medium screen, large screen and extra large screen. So let's give here block. And now we can give some style like box sizing, width, border, etc. How can give it? Like this. Okay, box sizing of the drawer, width, and border. Border is none. And we need to give, is it open or close? So let's give open. Now inside this drawer, I'll provide sidebar drawer. Sidebar drawer, and we'll create this component. Sidebar drawer.jsx. Let's go to the user sidebar. Import this sidebar drawer. Go to sidebar, and here let's remove this. Create box component. Sx equal to, we need to provide here height 100%. Display flex, then flex direction. Flex direction is nothing but column. Okay, then we need to provide the background as well, background and color, and position. Okay, background linear gradient 100 degree to this 0 degree, hashtag 0f172a 100%, color white, position this, relative, and overflow hidden. And let's provide this before as well. Before content empty, position absolute, top 0, left 0, right 0, height 300 pixel, background this, radian gradient, circle at 50%, 0%, RGBA, transparent, and 100%. Pointer event none. Okay, and now let me show you this. Why it's not comment height is 100%. Let's write here sidebar. Okay, I refresh it once. Actually sidebar is not coming. Why? Let's go to user sidebar. Here I have provided the sidebar drawer, this one, and this drawer is imported from material UI. It's already open. Open equal to true. Then this user sidebar. Okay, we haven't used that user sidebar in the user layout. Okay, so before this main box, here we have user sidebar. Let's invoke this format here. And now we have error, so I'll fix it. User sidebar is not defined. Okay, let's import it. And now let me close this. It's coming like that, right? Let's go to sidebar. Okay, now it's open true. We don't need to give, just open is okay. All right, now let's go to the dashboard and fix it. Okay, we need to fix it from the user sidebar, user layout, sorry. So calculate true or width this, and minimum height we don't need to give the padding. Let's give style to this box, sx. Display here we need to give flex like this. Then let's give minimum height 100 vh, and background color is white. Okay, it's fixed now. You can see the sidebar, and here our header will come. Width, should it be width pixel? Okay, no problem, we'll fix it from the dashboard. Actually we have this dashboard, right? So we can use here flags. Okay, wait. Here side, inside the user layout box, then outlet, this is our main content. Okay, let's go to dashboard and remove this max width. Okay, now it's fine. Now let's implement this sidebar. User sidebar, go to sidebar drawer, and yeah, now we can start implementing this sidebar drawer. Okay, just 1 second. Inside this, remove it, create here one box, import this. Okay, it's already imported. We need to create this avatar, and this one. Okay, let's do that thing. Use here SX. So padding, let's give first 3, then give display flex, then align items, let's give center, gap, let's give 2, position, relative, and z index 1. Okay, now let's create avatar for it. Create one box. Actually, we need to create this inside here. Box, let's create avatar inside it. Avatar from material UI. Inside this, let me provide the menu book icon. We need to import this menu book icon. Let's import from material icon. Okay, menu book. Directly also. We can import. Let's check. Yeah, we can import directly as well. Menu book like this from material UI. Let's remove. And now after this book, let's create here box, one more box inside this typography. So typography is for p tag. Instead of typography, you can use p tag as well. Here I will give Josh book, and let's give font size. Then letter spacing. Letter spacing, let's give 0.5. Let's give here background as well. Okay, after the background, let me provide here background clip. That is nothing but text. Web background clip also you can give, and webkit text fill color also we can give transparent. So let's me provide that. This is just a CSS, guys. Okay, and after that, let me create one more typography for library hub. So let's provide here. Okay, variant caption. Inside SX, opacity 0.7, font weight 500, text transfer from uppercase, and letter spacing is 1. That's all. Now let me check here. Okay, it's not working perfectly. clip font size I have given 800, and need to give here variant. Okay, so guys, if you are using h tag, okay, then you can give here h1, h2, h3. I will give here h6. Still it's not working. This box and this box. I use here flex center, line item center. It's not working. Typography variant add 6 for Renbook. Okay, let's do one thing. Remove this. Not last one, but this font size. Text color is not applied. Web text fill color transparent. I have used here, right? Let me fix this. WebKit text fill color. WebKit background clip text, background clip text, background linear background, 100%, letter spacing. Let's do one thing. Give here color purple for now. Like this. The still color is not applied. Okay, no problem. Let's fix this avatar color first. Need to provide some assets to this avatar. Assets. Width, height, background, font weight, font size, and box shadow. Okay. If I remove, then maybe purple color will apply. Yeah, I don't want the purple color, so let me remove this and remove this as well. Okay, the logo is complete. Now we can start implementing these menus. Okay, so let's go to the VS Code again. Close all this. Logo. One, two, and there you go. After this is main navigation item. Main navigation items. List import from material icon, material UI, sorry. And here guys, we need to provide the list of item. Okay, and let's do one thing. Create here dummy array const navigation items, dummy array for navigation items. This is the object, and inside that let's provide description. Not a description. Explore library, description, and what other thing? Description, icon, and title. Three things. Description, description is overview, and or we can give directly dashboard, user dashboard. Let's give user dashboard. Let's provide title. Title is dashboard. Then we need to provide the icon as well. Dashboard. Okay, material UI icon, dashboard icon. Now let's do one thing. For now I will copy this and use it here multiple times, and let's use that navigation item here for mapping. Navigation item dot map. Let's return here list item. Right here item dot title. Okay, now it is fixed, and give key equal to index. Okay, now there you go, it's working. Dashboard, 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 etc. So for to show the description, we can use here toolkit. Tooltip actually. Okay, keep all the content inside this. Now you can see tooltip is coming. Now for this we'll create the list item button. Let's use here list item button. List item button, and inside this button let me keep this title all shift F. Okay, now let's style this button. Provide the SX to this button, and here we are using active. So for now let me create here const active equal to true. And let's import this from the style. Okay, and now our button will look like this. So let me explain all this css. Actually, this is border radius, padding y, padding xx, transition all 0.3 second, cubic desire, and this is the value. Then position a relative, background color. If it is active, then background color is this liner gradient, but if it is not active, then transparent. Transparent is currently not applied. Okay, we'll fix it later. Now border. So if border is active, then 1 pixel solid this, else 1 pixel solid transparent. Backdrop filter, if active, then blur and none. And whenever somebody hover on it, so this like background color will active, background color will if active, then this alpha, else RGB this. And transform, translate X means a little bit move to right side, then transform this, translate 6 pixel, it will move 6 pixel. And the border 1 pixel solid, this one. And before active, then content is empty, position absolute, left 0, top 50%. Transform this, width, height, border radius, background, and box shadow, etc. Okay, now let's do one thing. First, icon is not there, right? So let's provide the icon. List for this we'll use a list item icon. Inside this button, list item icon. List item icon. And here item dot icon. Okay, so we need to provide some css to this list item icon as well. Let's provide here. SX minimum width 48, color effective is 10, else this color, and transition all 0.3 is. Okay. Now what we can do is let's do one thing. Implement array list for this, like browser books loan, because currently we are using the same object for all. Now we need to create a separate object as well, so let's do that thing. Let's create here one file. Navigation items .jsx and provide this. Navigation items, guys, there you go. First title, then path, icon, and description, nothing else. Title, path, icon, and description. First is for dashboard, borrow books, okay, menu book icon we are using, and my loan. For my loan we are using event not icon. All this icon will come from the material UI, so don't worry about that. My reservation event not. Then my fines, receipt icon, subscription, card membership icon, and the wish list. This is the wish list favorite icon for it. Let's go to the sidebar. Now let me remove this navigation and use the navigation which we have created recently. Let's import it. Okay, and let's write this correct for is active. Let's create one function for it. It will return true or false based on is active or not. Is active, it will return, it will take a path in parameter and a check. Let me use here const location equal to use location from the React router. It will check if path equal to this, then return if location dot path name equal to this. Okay, if location dot path name equal to this, then return true. And second logic is if location dot path name start with the path, location dot path name start with this path, then it is active. How we can use it here? Is active. Let's give here item dot path. Okay, now we can check it. Okay, it's not working because it's not updatable, right? How we can do that is okay, no problem. Let's do one thing. Create one const handle change tab or path, handle change path. Yeah, let's give handle change path. Let me create here one navigate equal to use navigate instance, use navigate, and navigate, let me give here path list item button. Okay, when somebody click on this, handle change path item dot path name, it's coming book. Okay, for book it's empty. Let's go to the main app.jsx, create here routes for it. So let's start with the book. Where is our navigation items? First is for books, then my lawns. My lawns. Okay. Then we have my reservations, my fines, my reservations, then my fine, then subscriptions, subscriptions, and last for wish list. Copy. Let's create for wish list. And now see, it's working. Okay. It's done. Now let's create this profile and setting as well. So for this also, guys, you can see I have used I have created here the secondary items. Now we can use that as well. So let me copy this. Instead of this now item, I'll give here secondary items. And here I'll provide divider, one divider. Divider is not working. Why divider is not working? Let's give some style to this divider. Copy, paste. And here I will write secondary items. Border color and MX means margin in XX2. Now you can see divider is appear little bit. Now let's create the logout button below. Logout button is important. So let's create that button. Guys, we can do one thing. We are using a list item, right? So we can copy this list item. After this secondary list, create one box, and inside that we can provide this list item button. On click, let me write here handle logout, and we need to create this as well. Const handle logout. Logout. Okay. Now let's fix this. Actually, background color and all this CSS we need to change. So let me change the CSS of it. Remove this old CSS and provide this new CSS. Border radius PYPX, linear graded background, border, transition, background, border will be this, transform and box shadow. Now list item, here we need to provide the icon. So icon, I'll provide a logout. Yeah, this logout icon. And what about color? Color, let's give the red. And let's remove this. Okay, red color. This is the red color. And for title, let's provide here logout like this. Now you can see this, and provide some SX to this as well. Let's provide the padding too. Okay, a little bit padding. Yeah, now it's working perfectly fine. And at the right, sorry, at the bottom, we can provide this as well. Let me copy this. P tag, and this class name, let's give P top 2. Text will be SM. Font gray, sorry, text gray 600. Let's give extra small instead of small. Okay, now it's looking good. Guys, sidebar is now ready. Let's create this header as well. Inside the header, we need to provide the my reservations. Let's go to the user layout. Yeah, create here one navbar .jsx JSX. Okay, now let's give it app bar from the material UI. Let me remove this. Sorry. And let's do one thing. Give it position fix. Okay, it will be fixed, not scrollable when main content scroll. It will be fixed on top. Let's give here X. SX means CSS. We need to provide width, margin left, background color, and box shadow. Let's provide that. Width. This is the margin left. Why margin left this drawer width? Because okay, currently let me fix this app bar and provide here drawer width, because we need to skip this part. Okay, this width, so that's why I have give the drawer width. Okay, now let's create toolbar from material UI. Here I need to give icon button. icon button. Okay, let me inspect. So here you can see the icon button. Okay, so that one icon button. That icon button we need to create here. So let's create that icon button. Icon button inherit start handle drawer toggle. Let me take here handle drawer toggle, and in SX give the margin right and display this inside in the medium screen. It will be none. In the only small screen it will appear. Okay, now let's create the one typography after this icon button. Now navigation items, let me import that, and is active. So we have created this function here, sidebar drawer. Let me export it. Let's do one thing. We can cut this, create here util.js, and create the function here, import that function. But it will not work. Okay, let's import here as well, and make little bit changes inside this is active with the path. We'll take here location as well. Okay, and let's provide here now location. Now let's go to the navbar, import that active, provide here location, and let me create the location instance. Const location equal to use location from the React router. That is great. Now let me check it. Is it working or getting the error menu icon? This one, path. Let me import menu icon from the material icon. Okay, let's import. Okay, and this time typography is not imported, so let me import typography. What about this toolbar? It's already imported, and I hope this time I cannot read properties of undefined reading path name, because I have given here location. Inside the sidebar drawer also I have provided the location, and in a util location dot path name. Why it's coming like that? Let me refresh it once. util.js console.log. Let me check the console. Location dot path name. Path is this. with the location. What I'm trying, item dot path and location. Inside the now bar, location equal to use location from the React router, and what I'm giving, item dot path and the location second parameter is active. Here I need to give item dot title, sorry. If this is true, find is active. Okay, wait. I need to create the function find item. If it's is active, then item dot title. Okay, if it is true, then it will return the item. Else dashboard. Oh, why it's giving me the error locations? What I'm consoling here, location only. Okay, it's working. Path name, location dot path name, but for the last, why it's coming undefined? use location use location. Let's go to the util, and if location, okay, let's use this. I hope this time it will not break application. Okay, my fine. If I go to dashboard, browser, my loan, my reservation, my fine, subscription, wish list, and okay, for profile it's not working, no problem. And for settings, because we haven't created the route for them. Okay, but this is working, guys. Now these are the dummy. Notification is also profile. Okay, and setting. Let's do one thing, create that thing. Let's go to now bar, after this typography, create here toolpit for search, then handle profile menu. For now, let me remove this and user. Let's do one thing, create here user object const user equal to, what is it, profile picture and full name, profile picture. Okay, we need to import toolpit. Okay, and search icon as well. Import that search icon from material icon. Now guys, inside this tooltip we have icon button, search icon. Okay, inside the icon button we have search icon, then notification bell. Let's import that as well. Import notification bell icon we want. Notification icon. Okay, let's use here notifications. Then do same for theme toggle as well. Import. Do we have the icon for it? Theme toggle. The icon name is, what is the icon name? Theme. MUI icon, theme toggle. Let's do one thing, search here MUI icon and search for theme. Let's use this dark mode icon, or we can use this as well, contrast icon. Okay, great. Now let's check what thing our tooltip is already imported, I guess. Yeah, but avatar is not imported. Now let me check the inspect. Box is not defined still. Let's import this box as well. And there you go. Okay, it's working. Even if I refresh, it's working perfectly fine. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for this video. Now let's meet in the next video.